I'm Alan Kenny, Editorial Director with REIT.com, and we're in New York for REITWeek 2015, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me is Debra Cafaro, Chairman and CEO of Ventas. So Deb, you've announced plans to spin off your skilled nursing facilities and assets. Why is now a good time to do that?
Well, we're really excited about our spin-off of Care Capital Properties, or CCP as we call it. Our basic strategy is to create two companies that are faster growing and have differentiated strategies. So in Care Capital, you have a pure play SNF or skilled nursing REIT that's going to focus on local and regional care providers. We'll have a great cost of capital arbitrage with those providers, fills a great gap in the market for investors and for those customers, and we think will be a great external growth story. And then in Ventas, you'll have a faster internal growth story, a really high quality, diversified portfolio, all the scale and great balance sheet that people love about Ventas, but will be 83% private pay. We will be 83% NOI coming from the nation's top 20 operators, and we'll continue to have our leading medical office building franchise as well as our top tier senior living business. So we think both companies with their differentiated strategies will create value for investors and be faster growing.
And then looking across your portfolio, are there any areas that you're looking to maybe upgrade or refurbish?
Well, as I mentioned, with the spin-off, Ventas will have just an absolutely outstanding portfolio on any metric that you want to look at. That having been said, we have devoted a lot of capital and will continue to do so by reinvesting in our portfolio with our leading operators and get superior returns in doing so. We have been adding memory care units to some of our senior living buildings. We have been refurbishing some of our Brookdale assets, which are very high quality private pay senior living assets in great locations. And I think we'll continue to pursue that strategy as and after the spin.
And now take me through this. This has been a busy year for you.
Yes, incredible. Yeah. Yes.
We closed already on the deal with American Healthcare, and we announced the deal right with Ardent.
Yes.
And then
we announced the spin. Yes, exactly.
So what else is coming?
Yes, I mean, we are the most productive group of people at Ventas that you will ever find. I mean, we single-handedly bring up the productivity in the United States. So we have completed $23 billion of acquisitions since 2011, including our pending Ardent acquisition. We have announced the spinoff, which is about a $5 billion transaction. And we've closed, let's see, with Ardent, maybe $5 billion to date. And we continue to have a very active pipeline of acquisition opportunities, both here and abroad. Honestly, the healthcare environment is still in the early innings of the institutionalization and the securitization of the asset class. It's a $1 trillion market. All the REITs together own about 15%, and we expect to see continued progress of healthcare and senior living assets moving into Ventas's hands over the next decade, and we're very excited about that.
Busy times.
Yes, as always.
Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And for more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.